National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson County in north-central Texas, Tarrant County in north-central Texas, Hill County in central Texas, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Azle to near Meridian, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Fort Worth, Benbrook, White Settlement, Azle, Briar, Eagle Mountain, Pecan Acres, Pelican Bay, Godley, and Cleburne State Park around 8:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Cleburne, Lake Worth, West Worth Village, Haslett, and Lake Whitney around 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Burleson, Saginaw, River Oaks, Sansom Park, and Lake Pat Cleburne around 8:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Crowley, Joshua, Edgecliff Village, Blue Mound, Bloom, and Edgecliff around 8:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Halton City, Keller, Watauga, Everman, Keene, and Cross Timber around 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Forest Hill, Richland Hills, Rendon, North Richland Hills, Whitney, and Lake Whitney State Park around 8:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Arlington, Hearst, Southlake, Colleyville, Kennedale, Alvarado, and Covington around 8:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Mansfield, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Pantego, and Aquila Lake around 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage.
Double header.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Wise County in north-central Texas until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, emergency management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain and flooding across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are forecast. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, emergency management reported. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Decatur, Bridgeport, Briar, Pecan Acres, Springtown, Rome, Haslett, Alvord, New Fairview, Aurora, Boyd, Paradise, Newark, Keeter, Cottondale, Greenwood, Balzora, Slidell, and Boonesville. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Oh my god! Triple header! I've never had a triple header.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Parker County in north-central Texas until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over